Out of the way! The ball is going over a loop. That did not work out so well. You're going to have to do that one more time. Watch out!
Hit it hard.
Not really hard. Don't kill anybody. You just aim for the ribbon.
What?
Ah!
I suck with this.
Hit it from there. Hit it from there.
Knock it out of the way. Can I knock it out of the way? Tell me when he's got it in.
Go ahead, Cayman.
Can you hit it?
Go ahead. Awesome. Good job. Good job.
My turn?
Yes.